Claude, build a full-stack app for data visualization with secure APIs.
Understood. Assembling the application now.
Claude, initialize the full development pipeline and connect the global systems.
Welcome back to AI Million Avatar. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest shifts happening in software development right now. Imagine having an AI partner that can write code, debug applications, explain complex systems, generate automation, and help you learn programming faster than ever before. That's exactly what Claude Code is changing. This isn't just another coding tool. It's the beginning of AI-assisted software engineering.
This video, you'll learn what Claude Code actually is, how beginners can start using it,
and real-world workflows developers are using today, and how AI is transforming the future of coding itself. Whether you're a complete beginner, a developer, or someone curious about the future of AI,
this video will show you why Claude Code is becoming one of the most powerful tools in modern software development.
So sit back and let's enter the future of coding together. Let's begin.
Something massive is happening in software development. Right now, somewhere in the world, a single developer is building what once required an entire engineering team. Not because they suddenly became a genius overnight, but because AI changed the way software is created. And one of the tools leading this transformation is Claude Code. Developers are now using AI to build applications, automate workflows, debug complex systems, generate infrastructure, write documentation, and even learn programming faster than ever before. But here's the truth most people still don't understand. AI coding is not about replacing developers. It's about amplifying human capability. The people winning right now are not necessarily the best coders. They are the people learning how to collaborate with AI effectively. In this video, you're going to learn what Claude Code actually is, how it works, why developers are moving toward it. Claude is an advanced AI system developed by Anthropic. But when people say Claude Code, they're usually referring to using Claude as an intelligent programming assistant. Think about traditional software development for a moment. A developer normally spends time searching documentation, debugging errors, writing repetitive code, reading stack traces, configuring environments, and trying to understand massive systems. Claude changes that workflow entirely. Instead of searching through 10 browser tabs, developers can now ask AI directly. Instead of manually writing boilerplate code, AI generates it instantly. Instead of spending hours understanding unfamiliar systems, Claude can summarize entire repositories within minutes. But the real power of Claude isn't just generating code, it's reasoning. Claude can explain architecture, analyze logic, suggest improvements, identify problems, and collaborate like a technical partner. This is why many developers don't think of Claude as a chatbot anymore. They think of it as an AI engineering assistant. Software development has always evolved through tools. First came compilers, then IDEs, then cloud platforms, then DevOps automation, and now AI-assisted development. The reason this shift is happening so quickly is because software complexity has exploded. Modern applications involve APIs, containers, Kubernetes, cloud infrastructure, security policies, CI/CD pipelines, front-end frameworks, databases, automation, observability, and AI integrations. No single human can memorize everything anymore, and that's exactly where AI becomes powerful. Claude acts like a knowledge accelerator. Instead of memorizing everything, developers can focus on solving problems, designing systems, and building ideas. Getting started is surprisingly simple. First, create an account through Anthropic. Once inside, you can begin interacting with Claude immediately. The biggest beginner mistake is weak prompting. AI quality depends heavily on instruction quality. Specificity creates better results. The more context Claude receives, the better it performs. Professional AI developers rarely use one perfect prompt. They iterate, generate, review, improve, refine. AI-assisted development is a collaborative process. Now, let's build something practical. Imagine you want to create an AI-powered task management app. Within seconds, Claude generates component structures, UI layouts, styling, state management, and application logic. But here's the important part. Don't blindly copy and paste. Ask Claude why the code works, how state management functions, why certain structures were chosen, and how scalability could improve. Now imagine the application crashes. Traditionally, developers would spend hours researching. Claude analyzes the error, probable causes, fixes, and optimization suggestions. This dramatically speeds up learning and troubleshooting. One of the biggest educational shifts happening right now is AI-assisted learning. Instead of passively watching tutorials, students can now ask personalized questions instantly. Claude adapts explanations dynamically. Beginners can ask simple questions. Advanced engineers can ask architecture-level questions. And unlike static tutorials, AI responds interactively. This creates an entirely new style of education. Advanced developers are now using Claude for far more than simple coding. Some engineers use Claude to generate Kubernetes deployments, build OpenShift automation, create Terraform infrastructure, review pull requests, optimize cloud architecture, and accelerate enterprise delivery. This is where software engineering is heading. Developers increasingly become architects, orchestrators, and system designers, while AI handles repetitive implementation work. But AI coding is not magic, and understanding its limitations is critical. Claude can sometimes generate incorrect code, outdated libraries, or flawed assumptions. Blindly trusting generated code can introduce vulnerabilities, bad practices, and scalability issues. Developers who rely entirely on AI without understanding fundamentals risk becoming dependent operators instead of skilled engineers. The goal is not replacing knowledge. The goal is accelerating capability. The future developer may spend less time typing code and more time directing intelligence. Software development is evolving from manual implementation toward AI-assisted orchestration. Small teams will build larger systems. Solo developers will launch faster. Startups will move quicker. Enterprises will automate more aggressively. The companies adapting to AI-assisted workflows early may gain enormous advantages. And the people who understand both human creativity and AI collaboration may become the next generation of elite builders. Claude Code is not just another tool. It represents a new way of building software. Faster learning, faster experimentation, faster innovation. But the most important skill moving forward may not be typing faster. It may be learning how to think alongside AI. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more content on AI automation, AI agents, cloud infrastructure, OpenShift, enterprise AI, and the future of intelligent systems. The AI era of software development has only just begun.